Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
I fully appreciate that you have been getting all the facilities from Meghalaya. People have been getting that facilities from Meghalaya. To that extent, you are saying we are listening to that. The area you are asking that it should be included in Meghalaya. You are saying that it should be included in Meghalaya.
As per constitutional boundary.
No, as per constitutional boundary.
Because why, sir? One thing. I have told you that 15 September 1951, while the Assam government notified to create this United Khasi and Jaita Hills, it is purely under the 6th schedule of United Khasi and Assembly Village. And in 1957, when this is under Nongkhla constituency, now it became Rambra, it became Mairang, it is under Nongkhla constituency. All external laws, also if Assam government itself want to clarify from Meghalaya government or so to say from this our local organizations, we can produce it to the government.
Not local.
Ban ya chakmat ya gajingya keren habai dai bergajingya penbaik ya upod usam jeng ki arteli ki jela ki arngut ki menteri sorkar ka jela Asam bat Meghalaya kata uba rinikton lengdo tongkar bat u atul bora hani kesngi kala hiar sakisnong kaput ban ya kendo ya kinong song snong ha kini ki jaka kata ha kesnong hahim aradonga tutia para Malang Salbari bat Athia Bari.
पहले से
1950
1950 को 1952
मालापारा मासपारा उनसे और
1959
अच्छा उस स्कूल में भी रानीखात का तो मालूम नहीं लेकिन मालापारा से आसाम स्कूल में के स्टूडेंट एनरोलमेंट नहीं है
अभी नहीं है
जीरो
ओनली टीचर
खाली
कौन सा स्कूल
Nakaliang jong kini ki arngut ki menteri sorkar kelas ngap ya ke jingatu jong kinong song sinong jong kini ki sinong habai dai bat kini ki benta ki badon hapdeng ke jingya kajia jong ki artuli ki jela kata ka Asam bat Meghalaya.
मेघालय इलेक्शन आएगा तो मेघालय का आदमी इससे हम लोग दार्जिलिंग जैसा बनाता है
हम लोग ये फैसिलिटी मेघालय गवर्नमेंट से मिलता है जो IAY स्कीम्स जॉब कार्ड PMYG LPS बिल्डिंग आंगनवाड़ी ICDS PWD ब्रिज कम्युनिटी हॉल टेक हाउस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर रिंगवेल डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर सॉकेट टैंक डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर फिशरी PHE ये जॉब कार्ड सब हम लोग मेघालय से मिलता है आसाम से अभी तक भी नहीं मिलता
असम में क्यों मिलता नहीं आप लोगों को आवास मतलब कम्युनिटी
खाली इतु है
मैंने दे दिया और रास्ता भी है
ठीक है लेकिन ज्यादा हम लोग मेघालय से मिलता है
अपना गवर्नमेंट है जो असम में देता है मेघालय में देता है अभी बात यह है आप लोग अभी जो दोनों स्टेट में जो वोट दे रहा है वो खत्म हो जाएगा आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकता खाली एक स्टेट ही वोट देना है वो इलीगल है जो दोनों वोट देता है बात अभी यह है आप लोग क्योंकि अभी बॉर्डर में है असम बॉर्डर मेघालय बॉर्डर है आप लोग का दिल कहाँ जाने मांगता है
मेघालय अभी हम लोग मेघालय हम लोग अभी राइजी मीटिंग करके हम लोग हमें जो मैनेजिंग कमेटी हमको एक्सेप्ट किया जो हम लोग तो राइजी मीटिंग किया कहाँ से मिलने से हम लोग फायदा बहुत मिल जाएगा हम लोग खुद से आदमी लोग बोलता है क्योंकि मेघालय से जाने से हम लोग कुछ सबको मिल जाएगा क्योंकि हम लोग का आसाम से जाने से प्रॉब्लम होता है लैंग्वेज और एजुकेशन सिलेबस और की जॉब के लिए सब का हम लोग मेघालय से मिलता है इसलिए हम लोग अभी हम लोग का नियर में जो ऑफिस होता है ना वांगलोंगदाई ऑफिस में वहाँ में भी हम लोग 100% मेजोरिटी एग्रीमेंट साथ हम लोग सबमिट किया और हम लोग का MDC हम लोग का सर MLA और हम लोग का सर ADC सबको हम लोग एग्रीमेंट मेजोरिटी मेघालय से जाने के लिए हम लोग सबमिट किया टोटली कंप्लीट किया
Nongkhla constituency in 1957 and these villages was included as agriculture. Moreover, sir, after the creation of the state of Meghalaya, This our area belong namely Achyaburi, now became Achyaburi, Salpara, Musaiwai, Ranikhat, then Lower Kijang is there Malapara, Muipara, and then Maspara, and Upper Kijang it is Tinchek, Tunaguri, and Rongthali. And these villages comes under the purview of the Meghalaya elections. Moreover, sir,
In 1957.
no, after the creation of the state. No, in 1957, it was under Nongkra Conference. Under United Khasijat, while in Assam, sir. After creation of Meghalaya state, this constituency belonged to Nongstoy. Nongstoy, sir. So, in this regard, we from the public, we would like to request our honorable board, minister of board state and official of board state to solve this issue amicably because we are under very, very trouble, sir. One thing,
At present, you are in Assam.
we are in Meghalaya, because all facilities, 90% of facilities we got from Meghalaya, right from the water supply, electricity,
10% from Assam.
10% from Assam. Let me tell you, sir, after all. NRGS, schools, all. And there are some host institutions from Assam. I am going to tell that. Especially I am from this village, Athebri. Now I am 65 years old, 64 years old. In this Athebri village, there is one host academy center. Ghost, yes, ghost. I mean, kobat ase ro, ami eko na jane idu. In the tinot ase. Aro eta kota kong sir, amar agor o komor homoyot border area jiblak eta Nunmati, one Nunmati. I will give you a example. Another is Aparangsa, another is Athebri. There is teacher post. So that teacher post also after we came to Meghalaya, we have given a right turn to the government of Assam, of Meghalaya, to divert the scheme to Assam. But till date, there is one teacher post at Athebri, one teacher post at Olongop, Salpara. But this school, this Garo school, all curriculum was under Meghalaya. The teacher post, they are cost only just to draw the salary. I am from Athebri, that's why I can tell all the facts. So, and regarding this Kijang Reserve, as I seen from the news, the Kijang Reserve is but not included in this area. It is called NC Hills, NC Hahim. Kijang Reserve comprises of Salpara, of Malchapara, now Salbari, Agor to Salbari Gaon, my days are Nutun Gaon. So, except west of till date, there is one teacher post at Athebri, one teacher post at Olongop, so Salpara. But this school, this Garo school, all curriculum was under Meghalaya. The teacher post, they are cost only just to draw the salary. I am from Athebri, that's why I can tell all the facts. So, and regarding this Kijang Reserve, as I seen from the news, the Kijang Reserve is but not included in this area. It is called NC Hills, NC Hahim. Kijang Reserve comprises of Salpara, of Malchapara, now Salbari, Agor to Salbari Gaon, my days are Nutun Gaon. So, except west of Ase Kohanimara, Dobagdrop, and Kabnimara. These are under the Kijang Reserve. In the east, there is only 2 villages. In the west, there are 3 villages. Both to Meghalaya days, sir. Okomor kisman apna koise tu khos ase no. Ek dujon ase sir. Itu khula kole bal na.
अच्छा एक गिजांग रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट আছে তো রিজার্ভ ফরেস্ট অসমর
Okomor আমার মতে Okomor কিন্তু যে according to geographical boundary there is one Kijang stream coming through Kijang river coming through Matha lower and upper Tamuta with the junction of Tursung river. This Tursung river. So the boundary of our area and Assam area, there's only 50 meters up to 200 meters in some areas. This is the boundary, sir. This is the boundary. This is the river. So from the public, so to say, from the Hahim sector, I want to say, we are not concerned with Hahim. Hahim, Salpara, Assam, we are not concerned with that. We are concerned only with this geographical boundary from.
He is Gaura Fine.
Yes, he is from Hahim. He is not from here. He is from Hahim.
अच्छा tell me one thing, very simple thing, your understanding I wanted to know. what you want to say that you are requesting that this area should be included in Meghalaya,
Yes, sir.
since it is coming all the facilities you are getting, but otherwise technically it is in Assam.
Technically also, according to us, no, sir. Because
Historical fact.
historical
They are
fact.
talking
I am
about
telling you
historical
this, historical fact. And
No, then why you are demanding that it should be included in Meghalaya?
no, in the demanding with the Assam government are claiming this is dispute area. But according to us, it's not in
There's no
dispute area.
dispute. There's no dispute. Okay.
The dispute area, sir, I want to talk to you. Malchapara, Salbari, and then Haim previously there was electoral of Meghalaya. And the government of Meghalaya, knowing that these other dispute, they have deleted all the electoral of Haim village, of Sabri village, of Malchapara village, and others. So to say this is Genansong, Waguna, like that. But this is purely under Meghalaya, so we want that this area should not be.